When you search for the best colanders, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Cuisinart Mesh Strainers. The Cuisinart Mesh Strainers are a set of 3 stainless steel strainers, and I have to say, they caught my eye with their shiny finish and promise of versatility. Priced at $15.88, this set aims to cover all your kitchen straining needs. If you're looking for a reliable set that tackles everything from washing veggies to draining pasta, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These strainers come in 3 sizes, 3 1/8 inch, 5 1/2 inch, and 7 3/8 inch, making them perfect for any task, whether you're sieving flour or draining spaghetti. The durable stainless steel material means they'll stand up to daily use without warping or rusting, ensuring they last in your kitchen for years. Plus, with over 10,000 sold in the past month, it's clear that many people trust this brand for their home cooking. Now, some people complained about the size of the smallest strainer being a bit too small for certain tasks. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it for smaller items like herbs or fine grains, that size actually works perfectly. It may not be ideal for giant pots of pasta, but for everyday kitchen prep, it holds its own. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable kitchen companion that can handle a variety of jobs without taking up too much space. Skip this one if you only need 1 colander for large batches, as the smaller sizes might not meet your needs. For the price, it's a great value, especially for a set that promises quality. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who love salads.
Product number 2, OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner, which I found to be quite the nifty gadget at $32.95. What caught my attention was its one-touch mechanism, making it easier to dry your greens without the usual hassle. If you want to enjoy fresh salads without the soggy mess, this is definitely worth a look. The standout feature here is its one-handed pump system, which really lets you dry your lettuce with minimal effort. It holds up to 6.22 quarts, so whether you're prepping a salad for a family dinner or a picnic, you can do it all in one go. The non-skid base keeps it stable while spinning, and the fact that it can double as a serving bowl is a huge plus. Plus, OXO's reputation for quality means you're investing in something that's made to last. Now, some users mentioned that it can take a little practice to get the spinning just right. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. And honestly, for the convenience it offers, that initial learning curve is a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you love fresh salads but hate washing and drying them. Skip this one if you're not a salad lover, as it may not be worth the investment for occasional use. Overall, for those who eat salads regularly, it's a solid value. Now, if the price on that last one gave you pause, this next product offers a budget-friendly alternative.
Product number 3, Gulex Colander. The Gulex Colander priced at just $14.99. This stainless steel beauty caught my attention with its sturdy design and 3-quart capacity. If you need a reliable workhorse for draining pasta or rinsing veggies, this is definitely worth checking out. What I love about this colander is its tiny, closely spaced holes that prevent small food particles from escaping. This is especially helpful when straining spaghetti. No more lost noodles. Made from professional-grade stainless steel, it's rust-resistant and safe for food. Plus, with its footed design, you can drain your food easily without tipping it over. Trust me, it's perfect for family gatherings or even food trucks, as it can handle heavy loads without warping. Now, some buyers did mention that the handles could be a bit uncomfortable when dealing with heavier items. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and don't overload it, it performs just fine. It's a matter of balancing your load, honestly. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable colander without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more ergonomic handles, as comfort might become an issue during prolonged use. For its price point, it's a fantastic value for the quality. Alright, that's a great budget option, but if you want something with a twist, check out the next product.
Product number 4, Farberware Pro Pump Spinner. While I don't have a price listed, it's been flying off the shelves, with over 7,000 sold recently. This one caught my eye for its large capacity and easy operation. If you're looking for a salad spinner that can handle large portions, this one's worth considering. This spinner can hold 6.65 quarts, which is fantastic for families or gatherings. The one-handed operation means you can quickly wash and dry your salad grains with ease. The soft, non-slip base keeps it secure on your countertop, which is a nice touch. Plus, the clear bowl doubles as a serving dish, so you can take it straight to the table after spinning. Now, some users found that the pump mechanism can be a bit stiff initially. Here's the thing though, after a few uses, it loosens up, and I found it to be quite user-friendly. Honestly, the convenience this offers in meal prep makes it worth the temporary stiffness. This is perfect for you if you often serve solids for bigger gatherings. Skip this one if you're cooking for just one or two, as the size might be overkill. It's a solid investment for anyone who loves fresh produce. Now, if flexibility in your kitchen is what you're after, let's move on to our final product.
Product number 5, US Kitchen Supply Collapsible Colander, which goes for $19.99. I was intrigued by its collapsible design and expandable handles. If you want something that saves space while still being functional, this one's absolutely worth considering. The key feature here is that it expands from 14 to 21 inches, fitting over most sinks, which is perfect for draining pasta or washing veggies. The fine mesh construction keeps small food particles from escaping, which is super helpful. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This colander really shines if you're short on kitchen space. Now, some folks mention that the collapsible design may not feel as sturdy as traditional colanders. Here's the thing though, while it might feel a bit different at first, it holds up well under normal use and has a solid base that prevents tipping. This is perfect for you if you need a space-saving solution in your kitchen. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional colander that's a bit more robust in feel. For its price and unique design, it's a smart buy for anyone looking to save space in their kitchen.
So, to sum it all up, the Cuisinart mesh strainers are great for versatility. The OXO Good Grip salad spinner excels in convenience. The Gullix colander offers reliability at a budget price. The Farberware Pro pump spinner is perfect for larger portions, and the US Kitchen Supply collapsible colander saves space while still performing well. Each has its strengths, so consider what matters most to you in your kitchen. Happy cooking!